How to grow on Instagram using Facebook ads. The viral follower funnel. Coming up. Everyone, please stop flushing your money down the drain trying to get new Instagram followers for your business. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Geraldo Alken from the yrcharisma brand, helping you create your brand your way. On this channel we feature a lot of social media marketing help, revenue growth and business tips, so if you're new out here, consider subscribing and also ring the bell to make sure you don't miss a thing. In this video, I will reveal my secret strategy to rapidly grow your Instagram page with real, active, niche engaged followers for pennies on the dollar using Facebook ads in 2020. The fact is that most Instagrammers are completely missing the boat when it comes to growing their followers and engagement in 2020 using paid advertisements, and honestly, a short while ago I was no different. Spending way too much money on Instagram ads for little to no follower and conversion returns on my website, thinking pressing the blue promote me button would get me anywhere. It's basically the same as creating your first online offer, launching that OG funnel, boosting your first ad and expecting ROI without any knowledge about your target audience, market, copy, creatives, anything. Recipe for disaster, right? Well, that was me, trying to get niche related and buy hungry followers. Then I took a step back, slapped myself in the face and asked myself, why am I not leveraging the marketing experience I already have and use it to grow my socials? I mean, I've been building marketing funnels for years now, multiplying the ROI of my marketing campaigns and of our clients over and over again, all using the same principles. So if funnels are this powerful, then why wouldn't I apply them within my social media strategy? So I went out of the grain and started a whole new personal account within an extremely competitive niche, only to battle test a new ad pattern which I'd like to call the viral follower funnel. Now ever since 2 months ago, I've managed to grow this account with an average of 100 new, strictly niche, top tier and engaged followers a day at just a $5 daily ad spend. Calculating back, that's like 5 cents per new follower. I'm talking top tier, buy hungry leads, engaging with my content and actually buying the stuff on my website, just by implementing this pattern. So there's a few boxes to tick to make absolutely sure this will work for you. First of all, niche down. Think of a clear message you want to spread amongst your target audience and start spreading it. If your content and message is not geared towards a specific audience and your page is kind of all over the place, you're not going to win with this strategy. So fix that first. Secondly, create valuable and exciting content, worth engaging with, and do this consistently. From this content, analyze which posts perform best amongst your current target audience and find out why. You will need this later in this strategy. Thirdly, use the hashtag staircase methodology to start dominating the hashtags within your niche and get your content in front of your perfect target audience. Make sure to use the hashtags strictly related to your niche. The majority of your tags should be within a fair range for you to rank for. So using hashtags like love, mood, instagood won't get you anywhere. Too much competition, not related to your niche, and basically a waste of your hashtag space. Then, when you've got those boxes ticked, it's time to dive into the 3-step winning ad strategy, which I'd like to call the viral follower funnel. Step 1. Create a viral engagement pool around your best performing posts. Step 2. Create a retargeting follower funnel, grabbing those engagers and make them follow you. Step 3. Test, tweak and optimize all stages of your ad funnel to drive your ad costs down. Now the secret to really bumping those conversion numbers up and drive cost per follower down is getting your best performing posts in front of your target audience. Just like every other marketing strategy, we need eyeballs to make it work. In order to do so, we are creating a viral engagement pool within our Facebook Ad Manager. Within this engagement pool, we boost our most viral posts, preferably videos, the ones that are doing the best amongst our current audience. This will generate a flood of new views, likes, comments, and traffic over to your page, getting your best performing posts up to 100,000 or for some ad budgets to even over 1 million views, if done right and if the audience size allows it. However, this is where problem 2 occurs. Well, you'll find that a lot of people that initially engage and view your content will not convert into a follower. I mean, why would they? They don't know you, do they? This is where the second step of the viral follower funnel comes into play. For the second step, you create a retargeting follower funnel through both your story and feed ads for the people that did not follow you after interacting with the post within your viral engagement pool. From here, you draft and split test several story and feed creators with a captivating hook, a short story or showcase containing what you do and a powerful call to action at the end. All under 15 seconds. Doing this will give you the chance to grab those engagers and people who've initially shown an interest to your page and convert them to followers for pennies on the dollar. Then for part 3, it's important to split test your ads to drive your cost per follower down even more. You focus on the following split tests. Firstly, the viral engagement pool split test. Within this split test group, you split test your best performing posts, demographics, and interests. Some will drive way more engagement and initial followers than others. Double down on the winners and cut the losers. Secondly, the retargeting follower funnel split test. Draft and split test several story and feed creators with a captivating hook, a short story or showcase containing what you do and a powerful call to action. Again, all under 15 seconds. And also split test your retargeting audiences. So engagement wise, percentage of video watched, etc. Going about it like this will increase your engagement rate, trust score, followers, and what a lot of people don't know, the post within your viral engagement pool will continue to rank in both hashtags and explore page, also bringing in more followers and reach over time. Best part, it's completely within Instagram's terms and services and will strictly get you engaged and niche related followers who follow you for the right reasons. Now there are 2 ways you can go about it. 1, you can take this information and try to create a viral follower funnel yourself. Or 2, you can completely outsource it to me and my team and we can do it for you. If you choose option 1, please take note that the strategy might require some experience and possibly a lot of advertisement dollars to get it right if you're not very familiar with Facebook ads just yet. Now if you choose option 2, please click the link below this video to get in contact with me and my team and we will be able to do and manage it for you. Now I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, share it with your friends. And I would also love to know, did you ever try to use ads to grow your Instagram profile? Let me know in the comments below and I will see you on the next one.